Troy Rosario declined TNT Tropang Giga offer. Rosario bared that currently he has a standing offers from Blackwater, the last team he played, and Converge also make an offer. Rosario bared that he hopes to make the announcement within this week. Ngayong week, I will decide. Hindi naman ako nagmamadali at lalong hindi ako nagpapaimportante. Siyempre, there are some decisions na kailangan mo timbangin maigi at kailangan mo i-assess ng tama, said Rosario. With Rosario declining TNT offer, San Miguel Corporation can now start negotiating with Rosario. At this point, SMC Barangay Ginebra, which recently lost the Governor's Cup title to TNT, is one of the teams in dire need of a steady big man and scorer. While its sister team Magnolia also needs some boost at the post, San Miguel has also been looking for a big man who can ease the load on its star center Junmar Fajardo. Meanwhile, with the TNT losing the Rosario bid, its sister teams NLEX and Meralco might shoot their shots too. San Miguel Big Boss reportedly had a gentleman's agreement with their counterparts at MVP Group not to touch Rosario until their negotiations are over. However, the sweet shooting big man bared that he wants to explore opportunities with other teams, preferring to bring his talent to a new organization. Nakapagpaalam na ko sa TNT management, and sobrang thankful ako sa interest na binigay nila sa akin. Mahal ko ang TNT pero at this point, gusto ko namang subukan ang ibang team, said Rosario. Gusto ko lang ng new challenge. Yun siguro yung masasabi ko. I had success with TNT then sa Blackwater. I was able to further prove my capabilities. Pero sabi ko naman, I am not yet totally closing my door. Siguro not this time pa. Muna, said Rosario, who fans believe can tilt the balance of the league as soon as he decides to sign with a new ball club.
Kamusta mga idol? Three Brothers TV para sa sports news and update. Kung bago ka pa lamang dito sa channel ko, pindutin mo na ang notification bell at subscribe button para lagi kang update sa mga sports news.